Welcome back, guys. Draw a capital letter C and another C horizontally and draw a curve on the top and join both of them respectively. Draw a line and a perpendicular line to that and add in an eye in the middle and draw the curves on the top. Add in a parallel line to the body and also one more parallel line to that. Close it and attach it to the horse. Add in the tail and detail it and add in the cloth and detail that as well. Let's draw a monkey. Draw a huge number 3 and one more number 3 in the top part and join the curve. Add an inverted C and 6 in between. Add an inverted 2 and a little paw in the top. Now draw cartoon eyes and a little smile and naughty tail. And add in an onion-shaped fruit. Wait, onion? Draw a horizontal line and draw 2 circles on top and join them with a large curve and even another curve parallel to each other with a curvy design. Add in one more curve and 2 circles on the top and detail the ears and 2 little eyes, 1 nose and a smile. It's a crouching lion. Add in the hind legs and the toe details. Add in tail. This time draw a vertical line and draw a curvy shape like this and extend the line at the bottom and one more curve. Draw 2 circles on the top and 2 eyebrows and little 2 solid eyes and little nose and a cute little smile. Add in a heart emotion and a few blushes. It's Pooh who wants to feed him honey. Draw 6 adjacent circles and cover the second and third one with a huge curve and draw 2 ears at the sides and cover the remaining with some other curve and draw 2 beautiful eyes and a shine and nose and a naughty tail. Detail the freckles and the toes with small lines, color them. Draw number 2 and a big circle on top and another 2 at the bottom. Draw 2 long curves and connect both 2's. Draw cute little paws and the hind legs. Detail the paws and fingers. Draw fluffy tail and soulful eyes and a little smile. Color them. Draw a vertical line and a large hook-like structure and add in 2 curved triangles and one more curve in the middle, one large loop at the bottom. Draw 2 soulful eyes and a little smile and few whiskers on the face. Now color some patches with blue and some more patches with orange and cute blushes. Draw a vertical line and draw a huge circle and one more deformed circle. Now draw 2 more smaller ones on the first circle and 3 curves on the sides. It's a sleeping panda. Add in the panda's eye patch and its mouth and its real eyes and color them. Draw a huge number 7 and greater than symbols at the bottom. Now draw number 2 at the bottom of it and one more 2 as well. Draw an X at the tip of the triangle and join the bottom part of the 2 with the ends. Draw that naughty tail and do the details of the toe. Draw a soulful eye. Draw letter C and an inverted C far away from each other and draw a little curve on tops and 2 large curves at the bottom and 2 circles and connect them. Now add in the cute little paw and 2 eyes and its nose as if it's eating a sunflower seed. Now color it with the pattern of a hamster using orange. Thank you guys for watching this video. There are more cute animals, birds coming up in the next video. So stay tuned and get your brushes ready for your drawing.